Hello kids, English alphabet. There are total 26 letters. Learn alphabet A to G. A for apple, A, A, A. A for apple. B for ball, B, B, ball. B for ball. Then C. C for cat. C for cat, 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 cat. D for dog, duck, duck, duck. The next one is E. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, 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 fish. H is for horse. I for eyes, 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 eyes. J for jellyfish. K for kite, 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 kite. K for kite. L is for lion. Next, M. M is for monkey. N is for nest. The next one is O. O is for octopus. P is for panda, panda, panda. Q is for queen, 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 queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sleep, 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 sleep. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetables, vegetables. W is for watermelon. I love watermelon. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yellow. I love the color yellow. G is for Jew. G. Bye bye. Let's see with another video.